Hi everyone, welcome back to our group of people, where today we're doing 10 facts about seasons. So let's get into it. Here we go. This one is about Easter. I only made Easter eggs on Easter because chickens lay out of eggs, don't they? And farmers told God that you should make eggs, Easter eggs. So that's what happened on Easter. Let's get up to the winter one. We'll take 1 minute for each of these things that I'm going to tell you. Here we go. Let's get to the next. Second up is winter. In winter, do you know that some leaves actually stayed on some trees because them little leaves are too powerful for the wind? So let's just wait for a minute. It's going to be a big great break. Right, so let's just wait. We're getting cold. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 10 more seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're up to autumn. Do you know in autumn that leaves fall off just like winter, but some of them don't? Remember the winter fact. And in winter, in my year that I was born, do you know what? No conkers opened, or no orange shells, no of them fall off the trees. Just none of them. Can you believe that? Conkers are supposed to do that. And you know that you, in America, that you get money out of conkers, right? That's cool, isn't it? Let's get on to the next fact. Here we go. Right, now we're on spring. No, we're on summer. But you'll know this fact. I can't think of any facts that you don't know. But do you know, in summer, I don't know if we're going to have to say this word. So, on Easter, you can go on holidays. 1,000,000 people have done that. So you might want to follow that group. One more person can only go on that. So you might want to join it. I'm in there. So I want you to join it again. Right? So on jet tip holidays, okay? I'll be on the second seat and you'll see me. Okay. Next fact.